Alright guys, welcome back. So I'm removing the key switch from the steering column on this 2013 Hyundai Sonata. I already removed this one, so I decided I want to do a video to show you guys how I remove it. So I get a angle grinder right here, it's a dual. So let me show you how I get it off. And just like that guys, I get to pop it loose. That's it right there guys. So I'm going to install this one on it guys. So right here, I'm using my one hand, so it's gonna be a bit difficult guys, but that's how you remove your key switch on your Hyundai Sonata guys. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.